Imagine being able to create the animation of your dreams with no skill required. Well, thanks to new AI advancements in recent times, your dreams may now become reality. In this video, I will be talking about one of the greatest AI tools to come out so far, Steve AI. A text animation AI generator that creates unimaginable animations that would have cost hundreds of dollars if done professionally, but is made readily available through a click of a single button. I'll share how you can use this tool to start making passive income, so make sure to listen along. I will be covering how to effectively use the tool and all the settings and features you will need, but for the first thing, we will need to create a word story, something that we could feed Steve in return for an animation. We could imagine a story and write one ourselves, but why would we do that when we can do it in mere seconds using ChatGPT? So I got ChatGPT pulled up here, so let's give it a prompt to help us create this story. For the sake of this video, I will keep it super easy and blunt, so let's say 25-word story about the adventure of Sam. Let's see what it does. While it types out our story, I just wanted to say, if you're really looking at taking advantage of AI and don't have ChatGPT Plus, then you are really missing out. There are so many added benefits like plugins that make your life so much easier and just gives so much better results. So now that our story is finished, I will copy this and save it for later. And now we can head over to steve.ai's website. All the links in this video will be in the description, and like most AI tools, they have either a paid or free subscription plan. The paid has multiple tiers ranging from $15 per month to $60 per month, but for now, the free plan should do just fine. We get 3 videos per month and it does come with a watermark, but we can remove them later with other online tools. Now that we've signed up, we're looking to create an animation through the story that we created earlier. So let's click on the text animation and press start here. You can pretty much just ignore all of this, just hit create sample script. And now you can see we are in the editor. We have some pre-generated text here. Let's hit clear all in the top right corner here. And now what I'm gonna do is just paste our story we created earlier in ChatGPT in here. And now you may have noticed that it has generated 17 different scenes for us. And so this generator is automatically going to separate everything into separate scenes. Essentially what each scene is a separate frame in the animation. I think that is pretty amazing how much work the tool does for you. Before we generate, there is an awesome little tool in the bottom right corner here. It gives us the estimated duration of the animation. So let's say you have to have a video that is, 3 minutes long, then you will know whether to add or remove scenes. Super great and helpful. There are also a few settings at the very bottom that will help produce better results. Starting from the left, we can let the generator know what our story is about in one word. It already pops up with a few suggestions when you hover, and honestly they're great, so just choose one. I'm going to choose adventure. Next, there is the option of live video or animation video. Clearly we want an animation, so just leave it on that. The next is source, just leave it on all. And now the fun stuff. Steve AI has an integrated AI voice generator and allows you to automatically add it to your animation. There are a bunch of different settings here you can choose from, so just mess around a little bit and have some fun. I think Gianna is fine for now, so let's hit generate voice. There's also an auto highlight tool which highlights important text in the video. So if you do like to highlight the keywords in the scenes, you can turn that setting on. But finally, we have now finished with all the settings. Let's click on next and we'll be prompted to select our design. I'm looking for something super fun and story driven, so I'll go ahead and pick the third one. Seems like it'll best suit my storytelling needs. It'll take some time to load, so now we wait. And boom! We are in the customization stage of this process where we can make dreams into realities. You'll be able to select each separate scene, as you can see here, and edit everything according to what you need. So in case the tool messes up a little bit, it won't be too big of a deal. There are so many settings and customization options that it'll be hard to go over everything, but I will go ahead and do some of the key features. For example, you can move everything in the scene around. Simply drag and drop everything to where you want it to be. I want it back to where it originally was. You can change the whole layout of the scene, so you have a bunch of different choices. I'm gonna keep it as it is. You can also change the scene time. You can hide text in current slides or all slides. But here's something exciting. So let's say our friend Sam here is a little boring. He's just kinda standing here helplessly. Well, we can change that. By clicking on the avatar, we can change Sam to different designs and change his poses or actions. And yeah, we have so many different options here. It's pretty fun to play around with it. I'm gonna go for for hiking. Yeah, let's go with that one. And also I'm gonna change his character. I think this looks definitely like a Sam, so let's have him here. This works, so I think we're gonna need to change the action again. And there we go, our Sam is now hiking. So now that we got our desired action and avatar, let's get the background right. I think I want to make it more of a city. So let's click on the background, change background, and let's find a city. And yes, that will work perfectly. I'm actually quite happy with this, so I'm going to go ahead and click the publish button. This video will take a bit to render and download, so let's talk about a couple of ways you can use this tool to start making money online. Firstly, this tool is a pretty good fit for a younger audience-oriented YouTube channel. With the natural, super child-friendly art styling, it wouldn't be hard at all to create your own Baby Shark music video, for example. Similarly, you could even create an online course for parents to use as a teaching tool that would teach younger children the alphabet and numbers and all these cool different things. One other idea is using this tool to create engaging short form content for TikTok or YouTube. Some form of comedic short form story would do very well on these platforms. Anyways, those are some of the ideas off the top of my head, and I hope some of you will be able to use that. So we talked about one of the most exciting tools of AI today, a text-to-animation generator. I honestly think, although there are some flaws, it'll only get better in time, and hopefully this video informed you guys of another very easy to use AI tool. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I will see you next time.